So when I said I'm making an AI that can be used to steal any person's God-given talent, you guys thought I was joking, right? So this is here. It is done, right? Now I'm thinking, should I post a tutorial? Because this is something which is very dangerous, and as you know, I don't know what I might teach someone how to do this, and they might use it the wrong way. So this, what you can see, this is a talent of a certain guy, a designer. I'll show you. Okay, so I store his talent using AI, as you can see, and then I taught the AI to come up with a design. Okay, so the first design is for this one, an African president, so I told it to say, I'm an African president, I'll be going to the Met Gala, and I need you to design an outfit for me. So this is what, as you can see, this is what the AI has designed as the outfit for an African president going to the Met Gala. As you can see, this is a very good design, which is outstanding, okay, for an African leader. Okay, so this is not just any kind of generic AI. So it is even as an explanation, the logic behind the why it has designed it like this. So as you can see, you can check it out here. So it even explains the type of material and why using that type of material. Okay, the construction, as you can see here, the construction in hardware engineering, everything is there. Okay, so as you can see here, the aesthetic. So as you can see, so here, this is the explanation for the design rationale. So this is more like you're just going to a professional designer and you're asking them to design something for you. Okay, so I further down asked to say, okay, the same president has 2 kids and they're graduating, so you design an outfit for them. Okay, one is the UK, one is in China. So I thought the one is in China and is male. So this is what it has designed for an outfit for the kid of the president who is in China. So this is what it is going to put. So as you can see, this is a very good design for an African who's in China, a child of a president graduating. So this is the design. So it is even explaining, as you can see here. So he's saying the logic of that design. So here, as you can see, the logic in a sea of black gowns, he wears his culture as regalia. It is an apologetic rigor and visually dominates the room. Okay, so this is what, and then let's see for the daughter. So this is what the design for the daughter who's in the UK graduating. So this is what it designed. Okay, as you can see, it has, so you can even chat to it to say, okay, I have this in mind. Okay, my where I come from, my heritage is this, you know, my forefathers, and then you can design. You can even customize the design further. So the person, the talent, whose person talent I saw is this guy. He's a very famous and talented designer. Okay, I don't know if he's the one who designs his outfits, but they're great. Okay, so you can check him out. So this is the guy. His name is so this is the person whose talent I stole. His name is Wisdom Wisdom Kai. Yeah, I think he's from America. So this is the person whose talent I stole using AI. So as you can see, even the design here, so it's more like him who designed this. And then when I was telling the AI to design this, I wasn't even putting in that much detail. Okay, I was just being vague. Now imagine if I put in that much detail, how it would have come out. Okay, so it did just end here. It even added some more. So let me show you. For for these same children, for the president, now they are going to a tech. Yeah, so this is the one for a tech fashion show. So this is the outfit it designed for the male. Okay, and then for the female, this is the design, as you can see. this is not just like any generic AI generating images, no. So this is the talent. So this is the guy who's starting to store. This guy right here, Wisdom. Okay, he's a very good designer. Okay, so you guys thought I was joking. So let me show you some more things from this guy. Okay, so that you see how he's talented in this fashion test. Okay, yeah, so this is the guy. So as you can see everything here. Yeah, so you guys were clowning me to say it's impossible. It's not impossible to steal any person's talent. As you can see, we can steal any person's God-given talent, and this is just a tip of the iceberg.